Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So I've been lucky enough to receive a product for my car which I'm going to be reviewing today. As some of you may or may not know, I've got a Mark 5 Golf GTI, and a company has shouted out to me to sort of review their products, so I'm going to make this review as honest as possible. It was a modification that I wanted to do anyway because this car didn't get equipped with it from factory. So yeah, I'll show you the upgrade. For me, it's a good one. Some people might think, it's just normal, but yeah. So it's a new set of LED headlight bulbs. It's from a company called AUXITO, I would like to say. AUXITO. I may be pronouncing it wrong, but that's how it looks. AUXITO, yeah. But I've looked through their website, and they sort of sell everything from battery jump packs to halogen bulbs to just your normal sort of HID upgrades. So I'm just looking through the AUXITO website. I'm not intelligent enough yet to put my screen record on a video. I just haven't worked it out. But yeah, look, you can see they sell LED bulbs, they sell headlights, off-road lights, seat covers, rear lights, license plate lights. So the list is endless of what different types they sell, I'd imagine. So the ones for the Golf, so I've not got the halogen or the HID upgrade, sorry, not halogen. So I've got standard H7 bulbs, and if you look, they just got all different ones for all different cars. They claim that they're plug and play as well, so that'd be interesting. So if you add to cart, I suppose checkout, this is just a random one, this isn't the one for my car. And discount code. So if you use the word SKINT without the I, SKNT, and apply, it actually gives you a 15% discount. I'm not sure how focused this is, I might have to review this when I'm editing, but yeah, there's actually a 15% discount code with SKINT. I'll put the link below. So yeah, if you do decide to upgrade, there's a nice little sale for you. I know cost of living at the minute's a bit crazy, so that'll help you. So let's get to the review. So I've just had to crack the box because trying to open this one-handed is just near impossible. So in the box you've got your user manual. I suggest, if you sort of don't know what you're doing and how to change your bulbs, I would most definitely read through this. Changing a set of bulbs is quite an easy job. Every car is different. Sometimes you've got to go up through the wheel well, you've got to take the headlight out, but every car is different, so I sort of can't really answer that one for you. Luckily enough for me, the Golf is a nice easy change. But here is the LED H7s. I know with normal sort of halogen bulbs, you're not meant to touch the actual lens because the oils in your skin, it decreases the life of the bulb. How true that is, I don't know, but I couldn't imagine it'd be the same with LEDs. So these are the new LEDs. The body of them actually feels like aluminium. And I'm not sure if you can see, but inside them vents in there, it looks as if they're air cooled. It looks like they got a fan inside. That's a bit bizarre because I know for a fact that LED bulbs run really cool compared to sort of your normal halogen or HID bulbs or whatever. So that's interesting. I wonder if they've got a built-in resistor to stop any warning lights or any flickering, but I'm not sure. I think one way to find out is to actually fit them. So I'm going to start by turning on the engine and just showing you my standard halogen bulbs. They're yellow, they're not very bright, because when I actually bought this car I drove it in the night time and I said to myself I need to get brighter bulbs because these are just pants. So I flick the lights on. So that's my standard bit beam. You've got your side lights, and that's the main H7 bulb in there. So yeah, what I'll do is I'll just change one, and then we can go side by side and do a comparison. We need to wait for it to be dark really to actually see the full potential of the light. But when it gets dark a bit later on, I'll catch up on the video and do like a nighttime review to see which one's brighter. And yeah, we'll crack on and get these fitted. So on the Golf, I'm quite fortunate enough to be able to access the headlights back here. So we just unscrew the cover on the back of the lights, and then all you need to do is just twist. There's like a little grey, I don't know if you can see it because it's pretty dark down there. You just sort of twist the bulb and just pull it out, and it's in the holder. That's how it receives the power. It's nice and simple. I'm going to set up my tripod and go from there because I can't do this with one hand. It's nice and easy to get the bulb out, but securing the bulb, yeah, it's a two-hand job. So I'll be back in a sec. I don't know if I'm in focus here, but so this is just a normal H7 halogen bulb. Just want to pull it out of the thing. I'm just going to leave it there, sort of stood up. So that's the new LED bulb. Not sure how it, oh yeah, it is directional, so it just seats in. So you've got like a little groove sticking out there. So I've secured the headlight in there. You can't see any difference from the outside. So that's all secure. I'm going to pop the clip back on, the cover, sorry, the dust cover, the ring cover, I don't know. Just the water and airtight cover. So that's back in. So that headlight I've changed, that one I haven't. I'm just going to set the GoPro up and we'll do a comparison. So I've just put the old bulb back in the box because if these don't work for whatever reason, then I can always put them back in the car. I'm not sure how well the camera's picking this up because that is like a dim orange and that is a full-on bright white bulb. You can see the difference through the camera screen anyway. But just the reflection off my focus, you can see the LED reflection is just so much brighter. I'm not sure if you can hear that. So it's starting to rain a bit, as always in England, but I'm not sure if you can hear it. You can actually hear a fan. Oh, the lights have shut off, but you can actually hear a fan inside the bulb. So you can hear the fan spinning inside the bulb, which it's not that noisy, so it's fine. It's only when you get up close you can hear it. But this, in comparison to this, is night and day. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead, fit this one, and wait till the evening when it gets dark, and I'll shine the lights on the house and you can see how bright they are. Or I might go for a drive and set the GoPro up just to sort of see how bright they are. So while I'm waiting for it to get dark, I just want to say massive thank you to AUXITO for sending me these lights. If you're watching this, I've got side lights, I've got number plate lights, rear lights. If you want to, feel free to send me the rest, because I'm quite impressed with how easy it is without the extra ballasts and resistors and, you know, all the messing about. So yeah, massive shout out to you, thank you very much. Just remember guys, 15% discount if you use the word skint. I'll write it down below, SKNT in capitals. And yeah, is a great upgrade for any car. Even if you've got HIDs, you can upgrade them. It's not just standard H7 bulbs that they do everything. Also they do battery jump packs. I know I've said it already, and I need to get one of them, so I might have to make a purchase myself. So yeah, also I've noticed that like 95% of my viewers aren't subscribed. So if you've liked the video, then just drop a like, a thumbs up, just press one button, that's all it is, and just make a YouTube account if you've not got one, and it'd be very appreciated if you can just subscribe to the channel, because in the near future I've got plans to upgrade this Golf massively. I've got all the parts, it's just having the time and the energy to do it, you know, with work, family life and all that. But eventually I will bite the bullet and go all in on this Golf. And hopefully you'll see it on a dyno pushing high power. I say high power, it's nothing compared to like supercars, but I think for this car about 350 brake horsepower would be a lot. And yeah, it's going to completely transform everything about the car. So yeah, I hope you liked the video, and drive safe. Cheers.